Bridget sucks at reading.
Those aren't very nice things to say. What I meant was, what did we learn from the story itself?
Oh, well, I learned that the poor little girl in the story is a lot like Linda, because Linda lives in an apartment and wears supermarket sneakers.
Camille, I'm very glad you're sharing your voice with us, but children in my class are not allowed to speak like that, okay?
Oh, because you know everything about children. You don't even have any children because no one will marry you.